What's up people, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to do something different and we are going to hide the subscribers of this channel for a month. So should I hide my subscriber count for my YouTube channel is a very widely asked question, and I'm sure every new YouTuber who comes on this particular platform wants to know whether it works, the A side of it or the B side of it. I myself want to know that, and I have watched a lot of videos and read a lot of blogs, and there's no certain answer to this particular question. I mean, there's no metric or there is no parameter through which you can track it unless you do it for your channel, because every channel's growth is different and that is something which we can't change. I mean, every single YouTube channel has different analytics or view counts, or the way it performs. It's a unique way every channel performs. So you can't really say whether hiding the subscribers is going to work or not. It works for a few people, so I am very curious about it, and I'm just going to go ahead and hide it for till the 4th of February. Today is the 4th of January, and we'll be making the part 2 for this particular video on the 4th of February. So if you're new to the channel, you can either stick around or come back on the 4th of February just to check what happened. I don't know what exactly is going to happen, but this is an experiment I want to do. So let's go ahead and do that. That's about it. Let's get on the mobile screen. Alright, so here we are on the mobile screen. I've opened my studio dashboard on the mobile screen. If you guys don't know how to open that, you can go on this studio.youtube.com and just turn on this desktop site over here from your Chrome browser and you will land up on this particular page. Anyway, so the subscriber count is 1493 right now, and I am going to go ahead and hide them. You can click on this settings button here and go on the channel menu. Go on advanced settings. Currently it was displayed. I am going to change it, hide the display number of subscribers to my channel, and I'm going to click on save. We got a small notification here, settings saved. Let's see what happens. So we have hidden the subscribers on the channel, and this is super exciting. Something that I always wanted to try out. I don't know what's going to happen, but this is exciting. I'm sure that this might be helpful for the creators that we have on this channel who are subscribers and who are trying to grow their YouTube channel. This channel has actually a very diverse audience. Some are Pinterest, some are Quora, some are Product Hunt, some are YouTube. So this one is for the creator people. I hope that you guys find this something helpful. That's about it from my end. My social media links are in the video description as always. Please do come and say a hi. That would be all from my end. Bye for now.